Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by assembling your raw materials and immediately immersing yourself. Read everything once to sense patterns. Once done, create a consistent file naming scheme and record 1-2 lines of initial impressions per transcript so you don't lose first instincts. Then start open coding. Work line by line and attach short, descriptive codes to units of meaning. Make sure to keep codes concise and use shorthand that you can expand later. This fast start turns abstract impressions into tangible labeled data you can sort. Now move from fragments to structure. Cluster similar open codes into candidate themes using colors, tags, or folders so you can visualize patterns. Once mapped, perform axial coding. Explicitly link codes by asking how they relate: causes, contexts, consequences, or processes. Make sure to iteratively refine codes. Merge near duplicates, split overly broad labels, and create clear definitions with inclusion and exclusion rules. This stage converts a long list of labels into a coherent codebook that explains why items. To finish, synthesize clustered codes into clear, higher-order themes and write concise theme statements with 1 or 2 exemplar quotes to anchor meaning. Then apply these themes consistently across the whole dataset, checking for saturation and noting % coverage or frequency if you report results. If you find overlap or ambiguity, troubleshoot by recoding the problematic segments, tightening definitions, or splitting themes until each is distinctive. This final pass ensures your themes are robust, defensible, and ready for reporting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.